Hi, I'm happy you're here. Warm welcome to Perhaps a Wish. I share videos related to lifestyle, travel, mental health, and technology that helps you to connect to different aspects of your life and makes you feel warm. If you're new to my channel and seeing my video for the first time, please hit the subscribe button and show your love. Today's video is about the importance of building an attitude of gratitude in 2021. 2020 has finally ended, and I'm excited, like each of you, to have finally started afresh after the most challenging year of our time. However, if I have to pick up a word that defines my learnings from 2020, it would be nothing other than gratitude. 2020 was a disastrous year for everyone, no doubt about it. You would have had a tough time facing several unexplained situations that had taken a toll on your life. But despite being a terrific year, it has undoubtedly given us some great learnings. Mine is definitely to be more thankful and grateful for all that I have, for all that I have received, and for all that has not befallen on me. What is an attitude of gratitude? Gratitude is all about feeling thankful, grateful, and expressing appreciation. It is as simple as saying a heartfelt thank you to the person who had cheered you up or helped you get your work done. Whereas having an attitude of gratitude is practicing a habit to express thankfulness and appreciation on an ongoing basis to all the people who deserve it and all the big and small things alike. You don't have to wait until festive season to express your gratitude towards people. It can be done on an ongoing basis just by being nice to them and expressing appreciation. Don't you have that friend who had helped you to finish a tricky assignment? Don't you have people around whose kindness had helped you during a crisis? Didn't you ever feel that love from your Creator that makes you surprised? Don't we all have infinite reasons to be thankful about in our day-to-day lives? Well, having an attitude of gratitude can change your perspective towards life, people, and well-being. It can keep you grounded, increase your contentment, and wash away most of the disturbances you face, which can trigger anger, arrogance, impatience, anxiety, and depression. Expressing gratitude can enable you to build a positive environment and make you a happier person. 2020 was undeniably hard and traumatizing. Most of you would have had a tough time fighting with the virus, losing your beloved ones, staying away from family, losing jobs, running out of basic needs, etc. But don't you agree that it had woken you up to the realities and made you realize that you are blessed in many ways? The year has given enough time to have quality time with your dear ones, have more self-care time, learn a new skill, identify your hidden talents, and start a new business, or at least to stay home and be safe. The year has definitely shown you the countless blessings you have and that you have taken for granted. It clearly was a reminder that you should appreciate what you have and be more thankful in life. Now that we know the importance of having an attitude of gratitude, how can we adopt this attitude in our daily life? So the 10 tips to adopt an attitude of gratitude in your daily life are: first one, cultivate a thankful mindset and wear a smile. Think about all the people whom you should be thankful to. Think about all the big and small things that you should feel grateful for. Don't hesitate to express a heartfelt thank you whenever it is required. Acknowledge the people for helping or supporting or inspiring you. Always remember those people for the help they have done. Start writing a daily journal of gratitude. Stop taking your blessings for granted. Try to control your negative emotions such as arrogance, superiority, and ignorance. Last but not the least, don't forget to thank your Creator for giving you endless blessings. The magic of positivity and the attitude of gratitude. Practicing an attitude of gratitude is an amazing way to increase contentment and positivity around you. Once deep rooted in your life, it can sweep away your negative emotions and take you closer to better mental health and well being. You do feel happy and positive when you share love and gratitude to the people during festive season, right? Imagine expressing gratitude more frequently and it brings similar happiness and contentment in your life like the festive time. That is exactly what having an attitude of gratitude does. The magic of positivity. As we look for a brighter and happier tomorrow, it is significant that we start appreciating the blessings and good people around us. Although we are well aware of it, sometimes we become less enthusiastic about expressing gratitude, thinking it is unnecessary. And that is worse than any other negativity we could ever hold. You don't want to become that person who is ungrateful and forget the help another individual did with great effort, right? People often wait for a long time to get acknowledged, but either it doesn't happen too soon or sometimes never. Hence, understanding the importance of expressing gratitude and appreciation is essential. In fact, that is the first step towards having an attitude of gratitude. Practicing attitude of gratitude as a habit can bring immense positive changes in your life and make you see everything with a new perspective and bring you more happiness. So let's build an attitude of gratitude this year for a better life and better you. Thank you for watching the video. Please do let me know your views by commenting below and don't forget to show your love and support to Perhaps a Wish.